Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Telegram desktop for your Windows 10 or 11. So the easiest and the fastest method is to go and open your Microsoft Store. So you can find it here in the taskbar, or you can just search for it. You type store and you will find it, Microsoft Store. You just open it like this, and then in the search bar you are going to type Telegram, as you can see here. And then you will find the first one, Telegram desktop. It is free. You just click here and then you just click on get button, and once it's done the application will be installed. You can log into your account and use Telegram in your desktop. And when you finish the download, if you can't find it here, you just can go to the search, you type here Telegram. Once you find it, you can create either a shortcut for your desktop, or you can pin it to the taskbar to be just next to those applications. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.